Hi, welcome back for another video. Today is a vlogging day. So first of all, let me start with EID MUBARAك. كل عام وانتم بخير وعساكم من عوادة. Today is the Eid, of course. We're on the 25th of May. And yeah, it's a nice and sunny day outside, so I thought I'd go for a run and walk around. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour, I guess, of the west of Toronto. No, actually no, well, hold on. The east of Toronto. So yeah, it's gonna be on the Don Valley, I guess, yeah. And I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. So yeah, enjoy the walk. See ya. So Wild Wing is offering beer to go now. They got some good wings. They are on Richmond Street intersection. وده تقاطع كوينز وشارع تشيرش. That's the 501 tram that goes along Queens. يروح من شرقها شرق تورونتو لغرب تورونتو. طبعا downtown. Yeah, so this is going west and the other one is going east. شيشة الواحة. طبعا مواقف موجود ومش جهاز مواقف. Oh, gorgeous colors. دي طبعا كنيسة سامايكو كاثوليكية. We're still on Church and Shara Street. I don't know what I said that, but yeah, it's Shuta. Shuta.